Hi, my name is Suzanne Blunden, and I've had both of my children treated at acupuncture care by Dr. Laurel. She has treated my older daughter, who's 7 years old, for constipation and another time for a cough. And both times she was treated, the symptoms resolved themselves within a day. And then with my youngest daughter here, who is 15 months old, Dr. Laurel has treated her twice for vomiting and diarrhea after having had antibiotics. And right away after the very first treatment, within 3 hours, things were really starting to get better for her. And then in the 24-hour period and then in a week, she's just been progressively getting better. So I highly recommend acupuncture for children by Dr. Laurel. She knows what she's doing.